Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a full backup and noting the exact SSD model. This is critical because secure erase destroys all data. Once done, keep the machine on AC or UPS to avoid power loss. Reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI. Press the key shown at boot. Make sure Fast Boot and Secure Boot are temporarily disabled if they block tools. You need the BIOS interface where drive management or NVMe options are visible. We'll proceed directly to the drive reset functions. Now locate the drive secure erase option. BIOS may list ATA secure erase or NVMe sanitize. If present, select the target SSD and choose the cryptographic erase or sanitize mode. Cryptographic erase is fast for self-encrypted drives. If BIOS lacks the option, create and boot a manufacturer or third-party utility USB, Samsung, Intel, parted Magic. If the drive reports as frozen, put the system to sleep or power cycle to clear the frozen state and retry. Confirm and start the erase. After the secure erase finishes, reboot to BIOS and re-enable Secure Boot and Fast Boot if you had turned them off. Make sure to reinitialize the SSD by creating a new partition table and then reinstall your OS or restore data from backup. To verify, check Smart Attributes and available capacity. A sanitized drive typically shows wiped namespaces. If the erase fails or drive remains locked, try the vendor's dedicated boot tool. Update SSD firmware or contact support. Those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.